everybody, and welcome back to another Roblox video, where today we are going to be playing Roblox. But I have some bad news. I'm in prison because I broke into a house. So we're going to try to escape. So let's go get some guns, shall we? So I'm joining here with my friend Brinley. She's not in the game though because her iPad's not working. Would you like to say hi to the family? She's drawing. But anyway, guys, Olivia Pro Gamer back, and I'm gonna start posting videos a little more often because I don't need my dad's help no more. But because he used to help me set it up because I wasn't used to it, but now I am. I feel like I'm a singer because like the mic's right up to my face. Thanks. Okay. Anyway, guys, let's get outside.
Oops, I'm not a righty.
Dang it.
I'm not a righty.
Oh, that's fine.
I'm holding it with my left hand.
That's right. Okay, let's just wait for someone to open the door. Then we'll go out. Okay. Go. I'm out. I'm out. One. Okay, move your legs. Dang it. Oh, well, guys, it's fine.
Oh
my god. Dang, I got arrested, but wait, I'm in prison, so how did I get arrested again? Who knows? Who knows? Okay. Dang it. Okay. Well, guys, let's go do that. Let's go get a gun again. Okay. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. What is?
It's sand. Wrong color once again.
It's fine. Hi, Mom. Sorry, guys. My mom just walked in. Yeah. Dang it, I got arrested again. Sorry guys, my mom walked in. It's fine. Dang it, now I'm in prison cell. Dang it, if I had that hammer, I could have broke the toilet.
Yeah, you break the toilet and then you...
Yeah, you break the toilet, then you escape. That's what went.
Weird. That's weird.
Okay, well guys, anyway. Who are you making?
Oh, what's her name?
Isn't her name Blue Rose?
Oh yeah, Blue Rose.
Her name's Blue Rose. She's really pretty. I wish I could show you guys, but I can't. Sorry.
And I drew it by hand.
Yeah, she drew it by hand, and I drew it by computer. It was really good.
No, yours wasn't. You copied.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did.
That was my mom who copied.
Oh yeah, so let's get back to the game.
Okay. Anyway, guys, so let's just wait for the door to open. Open the door, please, officer. Officer, I didn't do nothing wrong. Well, maybe I broke into my friend's house.
I can barely read that.
Oh, it does. So, guys, my screen's a little blurry today. And I wanted to tell you, I'm going to start doing vlogs on my channel, and I'm going to start playing my Xbox on my channel, so stay tuned for that. I'm so excited, because today I'm posting my vlog. And I know you guys are going to like it, because if you like Dan, you like this video, comment down below that I love Dan. And then I'll post them to Dan, and he'll be really happy that you guys love him. So let's just dance in a prison cell. Just dance.
Why did you do that?
No clue. If you're waiting, guys, if you're in prison right now and you're waiting, just dance. Just dance. Okay. But if you do like Dan, like this video, subscribe, click the notification box, and
Comment down below. I like it. Do it twice.
do it 5 times to show your support for my channel and his channel.
You have to do it every 5 hours.
Yeah. Because hold on. Okay. But
Oh, there it is.
but guys, you wonder why, you guys are probably wondering why I'm talking about this. Because I went to go see him actually, so I vlogged it, so I'm so glad to share it with you guys. I might not post it. I might not post the vlog today, but
Yeah.
I'll try to post it as soon as I can.
Yeah, and I also made a PPG
Oh,
She was my first one.
Post ever PPG.
And I think she's actually the best because I actually knew how to draw it.
I have a hammer. Now let's run. Run.
I'm gonna put this on the stick. I'm putting it on the stick.
Dang it! They shot me in the face. Guys, the cops. Well, guys, I just want to thank you all so much for watching. And please like this video and subscribe to see more. Hope you guys enjoyed. And I'm going to leave a